Hi guys, welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle is a tectonic with 4 stars. In the additional of today's newspaper on Friday, almost weekend, Friday, May the 19th, 2023, already solved 3 puzzles. The 1-star Sudoku, the Sudoku with 4 stars, the binary puzzle, and it's time for the tectonic with 4 stars. And this one will be number 6460. Yeah, 6460. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 17 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. But this one has 17. But it's indicated with 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. I don't think I need 30 minutes or more, but we will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Here single box, there single box, always a 1. Here also a 1. Next question, do we have here in this puzzle dual boxes? Contains the 1 and the 2. No dual boxes here. I see here a triple box. This is the next question. Do we have here triple boxes? I see here triple box contains the 1, the 2, and 3. The 2 is already given, so those 2 numbers could be the 1 and the 3, 1 or a 3. Here also 1 or a 3. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5. But it can be a 5 because the 5 is in the same area. So this box should be a 4. Alright. More triple boxes here. Let me check. No triple boxes. Quadra boxes then. I see here a quadra box contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. This box can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there, and the other numbers could be everywhere. Here another quadra box. This box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Alright, and the other numbers could be everywhere. Alright. The next strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, or constructions. For example, let me see, for example, the T-shape. Let me draw the T-shape here. When you see the T-shape, remember, it's rotated, this T-shape, that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Alright. Only one T-shape. Then the following shape, how about yeah. How about this shape? The L shape, upside down, the L shape. Let me draw this L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. More L shapes, yeah. Here another one, mirrored. This box has the same number as that box. More L shapes, no. Then the following shape, how about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Here another one but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Alright. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. Yes, we have here 1, 2, 3. 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6, but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes, figures, structures, or constructions. Well, then the following step. It's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. Alright, well, these two boxes can be a 1. Those two boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. I should be there. These two boxes can be 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be there. This box can be 3. This box can be a 4. So 3 and 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. So 1 digit left in this area for number 5. I think this box should be a 3 because give me 1, give me 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. These two boxes can be 2. Those two boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this L-shaped area. Should be there. These two boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3 or a 4 because we've got double 3 there and a double 4 there. If I place a 3 here or a 4 here, I cannot fill any 3 or any 4 in one of those two boxes. Okay, so 1 digit left. Should be the 5 then. Alright. These are 3 boxes. Surround the 4 can be 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can't be a 4 anymore. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those two boxes. So here can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Alright. Let me see. 1, 5. I need to wait, I need to wait. These two boxes can be 2. Those two boxes can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Yeah. Let me think. These two boxes can be 3. That box can be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. Yeah. These two boxes can be a 5. Surround the 5 can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 5 because we have a double 5 there. If I place 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those two boxes. So this box can be 5, but also that box can be a 5. We have a 5 here. So the 5 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this area from us, 1 and the 5. Let me mark those 1 and the 5, 1 and the 5. That means we have a double 1 there. That means that those two boxes can be a 1 anymore. If I place a 1 here or there, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. I should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 4. Let me mark those 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. These two boxes can be a 1. Surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this quadra box for number 2. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Oh, I've not placed a 3 here because, yeah, we have a 3 here. That means this have the same number for this T-shaped area. Should be there. That means 1 box left in this area for number 1 should be there. Alright, so these two boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. 1 and the 5, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 2 and the 4. Let me mark those 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. And this box is connected with that box, should be also 2 or a 4. Alright, these two boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 3. That means that if I place a 1 here, this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1 then. But we already have a 1 here, so it's not the solution. Place the 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there. These two boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes here. 1 box left in this area for number 2 is connected with that box, also with a 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 3. 1 and 3, we have 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area, should be there. 2 and the 4, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. This box should be a 4, is connected with that box, should be also a 4. 1 box left in this T-shaped area for number 2. 2 and the 4, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and the 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 3 now, so I've eliminated this 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area, and should be here. These 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area, should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 5. 2 and 5, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape, should be here. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 2 and the 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 2 goes there. These 2 boxes surround the 3, can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area, should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and the 5, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Then. Let me see. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2. Should be a 3, can be a 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. These 2 boxes surround the 3 in this quadrat box can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this quadrat box should be there. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes here. 1 box left in this quadrat box for number 1. And this box is connected with that box, should be also 1. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 4 and 5. Let me mark those 4 and 5, 4 and 5. Then these are 3 boxes. Surround the 3 can be a 3. That box can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this W area shape should be there. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be here. These 2 boxes can be 3. That box can be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. We have a double 3 here. That means that this box can be a 3 and more. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 4. And that box should be a 3. Let me drink something. Apologies. There's somewhere in my throat a thwack. Yeah, thwack. Alright. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be a 4. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. Okay. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 4. We have a 4 here, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. So 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 1 and a 3. 1 and a 3 is connected with that box. Should be also 1 or a 3. Alright. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Let me think. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 5. 1 and a 5 is connected with that box. Should be also 1 or a 5. 1 or a 3. I think. Wait. Yeah, this box can be a 1, that box can be a 1, and this box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape should be here. That means I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes here. 4 and 5, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. The 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 2 and the 5, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 2 then, because it can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. 1 and a 5, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there, and this box is connected with that box, should be also 5. I think this box should be a 3 because give me 1, give me 2, should be a 3, give me 4, give me 5, yes, definitely 3. 1 digit left in this area for number 1 is connected with that box, should be also 1. 1 box left in this L-shaped area for the number 3, finishing 15 minutes. 50 minutes. Well, I'm very well pleased with the time. Well, not faster than 50 minutes because the frog was in my throat. Yeah, 50 minutes and 10 seconds, I believe. Not the 4 stars, not the 3 stars. Okay, it's a 2 stars puzzle. But we solved it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe and hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find a lot of playlists in my channel. Playlist for the tectonics, playlist for the binaries, playlist for the letter Sudokus. I have also a playlist for the 0, the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4 star Sudokus. A playlist for the heavy, the medium, the light, the quintuplet, aka samurai Sudokus, and also for the killer Sudokus. All kind of puzzles or Sudokus. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find them all those playlists that you want. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Friday, and tomorrow, yeah, we will meet again tomorrow. It's a weekend. Until then, bye bye for now.